Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Notion homepage. First, create a new page and give it a clear title. Next, select a layout that best supports your daily tasks and information access. You can begin by adding fundamental blocks such as a quick to-do list, a daily journal, or a linked calendar view. Don't forget to personalize your page with a unique icon and a visually appealing cover image to make it truly yours. To enhance functionality, integrate a master task database that consolidates all your projects and action items in one central location. Embed a quick capture widget, allowing you to jot down new ideas or notes instantly without navigating away. Link a daily planner to manage your schedule effectively, and consider adding a habit tracker to monitor your progress on personal or professional goals. These elements create a powerful, organized hub. Personalizing your homepage's aesthetics is key to making it enjoyable. Select a consistent color palette that is pleasing to your eye and reflects your personal brand. Use headings and dividers to logically organize your content, making it easy to scan and understand. Incorporate inspiring quotes or relevant images to boost your motivation. Feel free to experiment with various fonts and text styles to highlight important information. For advanced users, create linked views of your existing databases, allowing you to see specific filtered information directly on your homepage. Leverage Notion's robust template feature to quickly add new sections or pages with predefined structures. Set up recurring tasks for routine activities, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Finally, regularly review and refine your homepage layout every few weeks to ensure it continues to meet your evolving needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.